Hello guys, today we're going to make angels. So what I'm using for this project is a 5mm recycled cotton string. I'm using 5 pieces, 34 centimeters each. Wheat color recycled cotton 5mm string. I need 1 piece, 24 centimeters. We'll leave it aside, plus 4 pieces 24 centimeters that we're going to use for the hair. I set this aside so that we don't accidentally grab it for the hair. Then I'm using a 3-ply cord, 1 piece of 30 centimeters, 1 piece of 70 centimeters. Then I'm using a wooden bead. This one is 18 millimeters, a little cutout angel, and a piece of cord approximately 35 centimeters. Please note that you can really use any string, cord, rope for your project. There are so many variations, and each angel will be just slightly different, and this is the final result. Okay, let's get started. Take our white string. I have already folded them in half. We take our thin cord, 34 centimeters, 35 centimeters, and we tie it together. Pull it tight. Okay. Let's pre-make our hair. And we tie them together. Take the wooden bead. And we attach the hair. Let's brush the angel a little bit, the body. Again, this is optional, you can just leave it as it is. Just a little bit is enough at the front. Before we proceed to secure it in the middle, we'll make the wings. To make the wings, I take the longest 3-ply piece and I just wrap it around my fingers. Wrap it around your fingers 3 times. 1, 2, and 3, and they're gonna meet in the middle. Bring back our angel. We find the middle and stick the wings between the two sides. We will cut it off at the end, the loose ends. So now we're ready to secure it around the middle, our angel around, and lay the string this way, carefully forming a loop, and start going around your angel. 1, 2, 3. Bring it behind, pull it through the loop, pull it tight, cut it. Trim the dress. Tie a knot here so we could hang it. We will make a little braid. I will just unravel my string. And make a simple braid. I will tape it to my table. Take a little bit of glue. For the braid.